Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss one of the important theorem of circle chapter class 10. And the theorem is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So to prove it, we'll be taking a circle centered at O and AB as a tangent which touches the circle at point P. Now required to prove is OP is perpendicular to AB. Also we can say that we have to prove angle OPA equals to angle OPB, which is equals to 90 degree. Now in order to prove that, we'll take a point Q on AB other than P and join OQ which intersect the circle at R. Now to prove it, we'll take the length OQ and we can write it as OR plus RQ. Now, here we can replace OR with OP as we know that OP and OR is equal to the radius. So, OQ will become OP plus RQ. Now we can say that OQ will be greater than OP and which will be true for any point Q on AB other than P. That means OP is the shortest distance of O from AB, and as we know that the shortest distance is the perpendicular distance of a point from a line, therefore we can say that OP is perpendicular to AB. And that's how we can prove this theorem. Thank you.